Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've done a review, so I decided it's time to do something with my life and review one of the many fidgets that I have. Today I'm reviewing Gauss Studio Richcoin Strong Wind, going but by what G1's website is calling it. As you can see, absolutely new. As always, try to do some close-ups if someone wants to translate it or something. Yeah. So let's open it. Just a second. I will, as always, get my trusty little knife. And take the little cardboard sleeve. This is it. Okay. As always, some accessories is always nice. Seems like a silicone pad and some balls in different materials and quality check. There's always certificate, which is great. And the device itself, man, it's heavy. I have to say, it is very heavy. I love the fact that the box is plastic, so you can actually use it as storage, which is always nice. It feels heavy and substantial in the hand. As always, some close-ups if anybody wants. And looks great. So let's open it and see. As always, I am not seeing how to open it. I'm just gonna cut it. So it's heavy. It have a nice weight to it, very nice weight to it. And again, it's very affordable fidget. Okay, so first try. Let's see what happens. I don't know how to use it even. Just trying to get a feel of it. Let's see if I can it feels excellent. But I have to say, I'm I'll be honest, by the product video, I thought there will be like a ricochet like effect or something, but just a normal slider. You can see, just a second, you can see the double tracks right here. Nothing really on this side, just metal. It is very ergonomic. It's very easy to hold and manipulate. Good texturing on the back really gives it great grip. Again, very good weight, very good weight. If you're looking for something substantial for really not a lot of money, it's like $35 or something. Very affordable. Again, for a brand name, heavy metal. Nice sound, not too loud. It's the middle of the night here, so maybe you will hear it very good, but and as always, straight out of the box. Haven't done anything to it. The sound grows on me as I use it more and more. The sound grows on me. I feel like you should be able to make it more tactile. I would like it to be more, it's not bad, but I like a more pronounced paragraph. Actually good. The more you use it, it grows on you. Very ergonomic, very nice too. Just fidget on. Let's do some more close-ups for you. A big part of the fidget is how it looks. This is the place for the lanyard or paracord. Lanyard. I'm old. Yeah. You see here the paragraphs. Good machining, very good machining. Not bad for again, like sub $40, and you can get it with discount and stuff like that for very cheap. Again, heavy metal, which feels excellent in the hand. Like to crush it like that, and still, I don't know how to say it, but it just feels great. Very good. So, well, very good. I would have recommended it if someone was looking for a hefty slider for a good price. There are others out there for sure, but this is one of the nicer I used. Again, design, ergonomic, sound, everything is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you decide if you like it or not. And thank you for watching. I see you in the next one. Thank you.